Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will try to understand how to perform the delete operation, and in fact this operation is very simple, and this is also similar to the update post operation. So first of all, let us copy this particular part and we will paste this in here and we will make some changes. Alright, first of all let us update the name of this method, and now we will give the name as delete post. Alright, and the method would be this time not put but delete. Alright, everything other than this is good enough. Now in here we don't need an object, we simply need the ID, so we won't need this parameter. Alright, and now moving forward, let us create a method in our service layer which will indeed delete the specific element from the list. So the name would be, for example, delete post, and we will pass on ID, and that's it. Alright, so now moving forward, let us navigate to our service layer by creating the method delete post. So here is our service layer. Now again, the functionality, the overall logic inside this delete post would be similar to the update post. We will simply copy the business logic from this particular method and we will paste this in here. Alright, and in here we will simply remove this particular line from line number 51, and in place of line number 51, now the logic will change a little. In here we will type in posts dot remove, and we will pass on the index, and index is definitely I, and our work is done. So this is very simple, easy to understand, easy to implement. We are simply iterating, we are simply searching the specific element which we want to delete, and if we find the element in our list, we will delete the element and we will return the control. Now the overall logic is definitely similar to the update post. Alright, so our delete operation is done, which is very simple to implement. Now finally let us try to run this application and let us try to check whether our application is working properly or not. Alright, so our application is up and running. Let us navigate to Google Chrome. Let me open our extension, and first of all let me show you the list of posts. Here we go. Let me delete the element with ID 5. So in here, first of all, we will navigate to the URL where the ID is 5. Here is the what we say element, and now in place of get method, we will make use of the delete method, and we will send in the request. All right, and now if I list down all the posts, here we go. So there is no element with ID 5. And if I try to extract the information with ID 5, there is nothing. Likewise, we can also delete some other entity. For example, deleting the element with ID 2. Let me show you. Again, the operation was successful, and here is the output. There are only 3 elements now with ID 1, 3 and 4. Perfect. So everything is good enough, nice, and this is it. Now friends, moving forward from our next video, we will start exploring how we can communicate with the database and perform similar operation by connecting with the database and performing the CRUD operations directly on the database. Alright, so something interesting is coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.